Russian for Foreigners, and it's a first lessons about our alphabet. So Russian alphabet is just the first step to improve your Russian. So I prepared for you something to you understand more easier what is the language about. So let's start from the first information. We have 10 vowels and 21 consonants. So let's start from the first vowel, A, the letter A, and this letter you can hear in the word father, father. The letter B, B, B. It's a butter, word butter, B, first letter B, butter. It's a letter B. V, video, V, video. G, word go, go. D, D, it's a do. You can hear this first letter, do, D. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can see this letter, it's a vowel also. You can see this letter in the word yes, yes, yeah, yeah. Your, I found word your. It's the same like our, just one letter. It's all also vowel. So the letter J, J, you can hear the word pleasure, pleasure. Here, it's a consonant letter. The letter Z, Z, zebra, zebra, Z, first letter Z, our Z. The letter E, always vowel, also. E, you can hear it's the word me, E, last one, me. The letter K, the sound K, it's the word key, key, K, key. I kratka, it's a letter I kratka, but you can pronounce it I, I. So at the word boy, it's the end of the word boy. You can hear this sound. The letter L, L, at the word live, L, live. M, M, may. N, nose, N. It's not so difficult. This is O, again vowel, O, more, O. P, sport, P, the same like in English. The letter R, R, the same like R, approximately the same like R in English, R. But this letter, how to say, show you that you're in Russian, you know? So when you're not adult, you're the baby, you can't pronounce it. And all babies checking each other how you are pronouncing this letter, R or R. So it's sometimes it's so difficult to pronounce it, but when you become older, you can do it. So when you are the same, you will do it also. The letter S, C, the letter T, tower, T, T, the same in English. Letter U, it's a vowel. Book, U, face, nothing difficult. House, like H, house, H. Ц, like TS. Ch, chapter or cheer, so ch we have. So it's basically to say CH, ch. Next one, sh, it's CH, SH, 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 sh. You see, for you maybe it sounds approximately the same, but it's two different letters. So sh, SH, and sh is a sheep, sheep. So a bit different. These two letters I will explain you after what is a letter. Another one, like roses, like this. Bat, you, like you. Я, it means I am in English, in Russian. So я, we have also interesting story about this letter. When person in Russian always talking about themselves, so I go, I'm the first person in the world, I'm the best person, I'm smarter than someone, so I'm. So always you can hear я. It means I am. And you can answer this person, я, it's the last letter, it's the alphabet. So it means you are not the first. But it's a joke. Okay, just a bit interesting story. So я, the last letter, but it's a so important letter. And two, interesting also. This is a мягкий знак. It means soft letter, and strong, твердый знак. Мягкий знак, твердый знак. What is it different and what does it mean? It means, for example, if you put this first мягкий знак, this first letter, close to another consonant letter. So, for example, the letter, let's say D, the letter D, and after that мягкий знак, you can hear D. D will become softer. So we have some words which becoming after you can use this letter and the consonant letter become softer. Например, for example, например, к, л, л. So l, like this you can see, plus мягкий знак can be l. You understand what I mean? Or vice versa, if you are putting this твердый знак, it means strong letter after another consonant letter. This you can see or you can feel like it's a different and stronger sound. Do you understand? So I think and I hope this information will help you to start learning Russian and to be an intelligent person. So bye.